Hello and welcome back to Get English Fit. My name is Jane and today we are looking at the articles a and an. So first, let's look at the similarities between a and an. Well, a is an article and an is an article. And they are both used before singular countable nouns. Singular means only one, and countable means a noun which you can count. A book is countable because I can count 1 book, 2 books, 3 books. Water is not countable, so we can say water is uncountable because we can't say 1 water, 2 waters. Now let's look at the differences. The article a is used when the next word begins with a consonant or a consonant sound. A hairdresser. A hairdresser is someone who cuts your hair. A hairdresser or a hairdresser. The pronunciation changes from person to person, conversation to conversation. So a hairdresser or a hairdresser. Cake. A or a cake. Cake has the first letter, which is a C. So I say a cake. Now let's look at the article an. An is used before singular countable nouns which begin with a vowel. Orange. The first letter of orange is O. O is a vowel, so I say an orange. Another example is actor or actress. Actor is for a man and actress is for a woman. Actor and actress begin with the letter A. A is a vowel, so I can say an actor or an actress. It is very important to know that we focus on the word after the article. So let's go back to the example with a cake. But imagine I want to describe the cake. I want to say a big cake. Big begins with B, which is a consonant. So I say a big cake. But imagine I want to say enormous. Enormous is very, very, very big. So imagine I want to say enormous cake. Well, enormous begins with the letter E, and E is a vowel. So this time I don't use a enormous cake, I use an enormous cake. Another example may be museum. A museum. But I want to describe the museum. I want to use the adjective interesting. Interesting begins with the letter I. So this time I don't use the article a, I use the article an. An interesting museum. Unfortunately, there are some exceptions, some words which are different. For example, the word hour, which means 60 minutes. Hour starts with the consonant H, but I don't say hour. So you don't hear the H, h. You hear hour. So it is as if you hear a vowel sound. For this reason, I don't say a hour, I say an hour. Another example is the word university. I don't say university, it is university. The first letter, U, is a vowel, but I don't pronounce the vowel as a vowel. It sounds like a Y. Y, yes, Y, university. For this reason, I don't use the article an university. I use the article a university. It seems very complicated, but usually it is easy to follow this rule. A with consonants and an with vowels. Now let's practice. I will say a word, for example, book, and you must think, is it a book or an book? Listen, think, and then watch to check your answer. Computer. Office. Photograph. Hour. Eye. Nose. Flower. Trolley. Egg. Credit card. Internet cafe. University. If you're not already, then please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.